Hey everyone! Welcome back to Code with Mind. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and explore its various applications. AI has rapidly transformed multiple industries and continues to revolutionize the way we live and work. So let us get started. The first application we'll discuss is AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is making significant strides in healthcare, aiding in diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. AI-powered systems can analyze large datasets, detect patterns, and provide accurate predictions. They can assist in early detection of diseases, personalize treatments, and even perform complex surgeries with precision. Imagine a future where AI algorithms can identify potential diseases from medical images, like X-rays and MRIs, enabling doctors to make quicker and more accurate diagnoses. Moving on to another exciting application: AI in transportation. Self-driving cars have become a hot topic in recent years. AI plays a vital role in autonomous vehicles, enabling them to perceive the environment, make decisions, and navigate safely. AI algorithms process data from sensors like cameras and radars to identify objects, predict behavior, and react accordingly. Imagine a future where traffic accidents are significantly reduced as AI-powered vehicles can analyze real-time traffic data, optimize routes, and react faster to potential hazards. Furthermore, AI can also be used for intelligent traffic management systems, reducing congestion and improving overall transportation efficiency. Next, let us talk about AI in finance. The finance industry heavily relies on data analysis and decision-making. AI-powered algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, detect patterns, and make predictions. This enables banks and financial institutions to automate tasks, enhance risk management, and provide personalized financial services. Imagine AI-powered chatbots that can provide personalized investment advice, help with financial planning, and answer customer queries instantly. AI can also assist in detecting fraudulent activities by analyzing transaction patterns and flagging suspicious transactions, thus enhancing security. Lastly, let us explore AI in education. Artificial intelligence is transforming the education landscape by providing personalized learning experiences, intelligent tutoring, and efficient administrative systems. With AI, adaptive learning platforms can analyze students' strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles, tailoring educational content to meet their individual needs. Intelligent tutoring systems can provide personalized feedback, track progress, and offer additional support to students. AI-powered administrative systems can streamline administrative tasks, automate grading, and help educators manage their workload effectively. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing various industries. From healthcare to transportation, finance to education, the applications of AI are vast and continually expanding. As we move forward, AI will continue to shape our world and open up new possibilities. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it insightful and enjoyed learning about the diverse applications of AI. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.